Hey, it's Megan here, and today I'll be reviewing my electric kettle. I'm going to share everything I absolutely love about this kettle, plus I'm going to answer some of the most commonly asked questions and most common reviews left on the kettle as well. So let's get into it. First things first, I got this kettle because I was looking for something that was like sleek and stylish, preferably something that matched my French press, because these are two items that I leave on my counter because every morning we have to start with coffee. And so I do love the way it looks. It's super sleek, it has a nice design, and it's a perfect height to fit underneath of my cabinets. So really happy with how it looks. Even though it is super sleek and skinny, it holds a maximum amount of 1.5 liters of water, and it holds a minimum amount of 0.05 liters of water, which is a really great amount of boiled water if you're using this for, say, a French press or even just like a cup of tea. It's the perfect size for that. It is double wall insulated and has stainless steel on the inside, which makes for really easy cleaning, and also makes for the outside doesn't get super hot and the handle doesn't get any heat on it at all, which is really nice. And I will say, even with the double wall insulation and stainless steel, it's still super lightweight, even when I have it filled with max amount of water. Something else that I love about this kettle is that it has a 2-level lid. So when you press the lid button once, it opens up at a 45-degree angle, but you can open it to a further degree angle to easily get it underneath your sink faucet or for cleaning purposes. So I really like that feature on this kettle. Something else I love and I was looking for was a cordless kettle. So as you can see, the bottom is separate for this kettle, and then it does have auto shut off on the kettle itself. So we are going to boil some water and see just how long it really takes in real time for this kettle to boil. I'm going to do it to max fill line so we can see how long it takes to boil a full pot of water. So let's do it. As you can see, it took about 5 minutes and 38 seconds to get a perfectly nice boiled pot of water. So not bad at all. Let's talk about one of the common questions and reviews that I saw pop up over and over again. And that is that this kettle had a smell to it when you were boiling the water. So I'll say I have no noticeable smell coming out of my kettle when I boil water. The one thing I did do before ever using it for my coffee or tea or anything like that is that I boiled 3 pots of water at the max fill line. So I boiled a pot, dumped it out, I let it cool off for just a few minutes in between, and I did that 3 times. And I think that that helped with the smell. The other thing I would say is, if you do feel like you have that smell, you can certainly clean it out with some vinegar and then do another boil. And then finally, I'm going to talk quickly about the cleaning. A lot of people asked how often to clean it and how you do clean your kettle. For me, I just make sure that I dump out any excess water after I'm done using it. And then for me, I just give it a good rinse, and I'll wash it out with soap just like every other week or so, just to keep it in good working order. Like I said a moment ago, you can also clean it out with some vinegar, but I have no spots or deposits or anything like that throughout the stainless steel, which I think is, you know, pointing back to that great feature of having that stainless steel interior. So overall, super happy with this kettle. I think it looks really good on my countertop. I love all of the features. It is exactly what I was looking for, and it'll be a great add to your kitchen. So enjoy.